Hello everyone, this is Rico of Angel Wings International Tourism. In relation to the ongoing amnesty program of the UAE for 2024, you still have until October 31 to apply for amnesty. If you are here in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, you can visit any Amir center near you or visit any ICP center within Dubai. Or if you are in Abu Dhabi, you can visit the ICP centers in Al Dhafra, Suwayhan, Al Maka, and Al Shahama. And if you are anywhere in the United Arab Emirates, you can visit any ICP centers. But for all our kababayans, the Filipinos who are qualified to apply for the amnesty, we are encouraging you to visit the Amnesty Center located at our Philippine Embassy in Abu Dhabi and the Philippine Amnesty Center here in Philippine Consulate Dubai in Al Qusais. Our Filipino officers there in the Philippine Consulate Dubai and the Migrant Workers Office as well as our Philippine Embassy in Abu Dhabi will be very happy to assist you regarding your amnesty concerns. So what are you waiting for? Grab this opportunity to make your status legal here in the UAE. Of course, your fines will be waived. If you be going home to Philippines, there will be no ban. But if you choose to stay here in the UAE, make sure that you have your valid visa sponsor. But for more information regarding the amnesty, you can also contact us here at Angel Wings International Tourism.